Hey everyone, Nina here. So I'm going to do something that I haven't done before. I'm going to do a channel review for this young lady, not because she asked me for it, because, we're going to just invade her little private space. But I love her channel, and I just thought it would be a perfect learning experience for you all. For you that are new, I'm trying to think. I think I'm going to put this on YouTube. Totally doesn't follow my algorithm or what I'm doing next, but I'm going to throw it on YouTube. So, one of the things that, for those of you that are new, sociallynina, video marketing mentor, brand marketing mentor, I teach people how to use branding and content creation to actually create a brand that draws in leads, specifically with video marketing. And so I was having my coffee, getting ready to do my little video, newsletter for my subscribers, and then I thought, let me listen to some plant YouTube videos. And this is a new YouTuber that I just ran across. I absolutely love her. I love her thumbnails, and I was going to comment and let her know a couple of tips. And then I was like, she's probably like, this old lady is just leaving tips. And then I was like trying to find her on Instagram, couldn't find her because I couldn't find the name. And so I thought, there's a learning opportunity here. So I'm gonna put on my little Karen face and give you some unwanted advice. So I hope she sees this and hope she gets a ton of views. But let's do something new. This is totally unscripted. I don't know how long it's gonna be. You guys are gonna love it or you won't. But I just, this is a perfect opportunity. So let's dive into it. So her channel is about plants. Just in case you didn't know, I am now a plant mama and I have a ton of plants here. And I'm looking and there's some opportunities for growth. So, first, when you look at the channel, I'm glad it says get planty with it. I think that's so cute. Here's what I suggest as far as the layout and her channel in general. I would put, like, she has this lovely picture of herself. Put a picture of yourself up here, girl. Go ahead and put a picture up there. I love that she has new videos Wednesdays and Sundays. It lets me know when to come back. Here's a tip. If you're not going to stick to that schedule, don't put that up there, right? So, and I'm not talking about her, but in general, people put the schedules up, they do one video, and then you look for them and they're gone, right? So, I love that it has this. The other thing that I would do is go in here and update your channel two ways. One, the about section. There's nothing in the about section. Dun, dun, dun. Who are you? What do you do? What do you love? Like, tell me about yourself. Also, that's opportunity for SEO keyword search. So if I'm searching somewhere, it should show up, right? The other thing is usually on a channel, and let me just, go on and plug my channel real quick, but let me just show you. Usually on a channel, you can customize your channel and you can do this in your YouTube studio, people. But if you go to your channel and go to this side, there's all your icons. Like I was trying to find out, where do I find her email? Can I get her on Instagram? Because I was gonna send a little, hey you, hey girl, let me give you a couple tips that you didn't ask for, but I just want your channel to grow. But anyways, set up your channel, go into your YouTube studio, and it's under, and I'm actually gonna show you, do a little detour real quick. Under your YouTube studio on your left hand side, and actually, I don't even think it's on the left anymore. Is it on the left? You can actually customize your channel. And they keep, there it goes, customize. It still is in there. I haven't uploaded a video in forever, y'all. But this is where you can do your branding, your basic info, all of that kind of stuff. This is what she needs to update. This is what you need to update so people can contact you, especially if they want to do brand deals or, or just give you unwanted advice. All right, back to her channel. What I do like is she does have a welcome video. I love that she has 11,000 views and she started in May. But oops, how come it's not coming up? Come on. You could do it. It's like stuck. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I love that she has her little update here and her intro plant. I do really, really like her thumbnails. And actually, let's see what I would like to see, because it's like white on top of other colors, is maybe, I don't know, like when you're scrolling, people can't really read the white on white. So maybe putting a darker color behind it or just putting more plants. Like with me, I don't care what it looks like. With plants, it's a little bit different. And then also it says plant shop with me, July favorites, blah, blah, blah. I would put more keywords in. I have a YouTube video on TubeBuddy, and actually, I'll probably release a new video this week on updated keyword search. But let's look into, which video did I watch? this one. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this one. This isn't the one I watched, but I'm gonna click on this one. Keywords. So she doesn't have any tags in here. Oh, baby girl, you're missing out on views. So keywords are search words. So YouTube is a search engine. It's related to Google. So if people search on Google, they actually find your videos. So you need to put keywords, and I mean like sentences. Plant shop. So I would say plant shopping in New York City, best plant shop in New York City, whatever. I'm making them up. You can use TubeBuddy, go to sociallynina.com/TubeBuddy to actually figure out which keywords are best. I actually have a full blog on this, but use keywords that relate to your audience, right? There's a couple more things that I would do in her video, but I think just those in general would kind of boost her channel. And I hope that all of you watching would see the value in this also. I'm not going to edit this. I'm not going to do much with this. I just want to get this out, and I'll probably just send it to her somehow in here. But love her channel. Her channel is called Get Planty with It. I will include the link in the description box. But I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. Subscribe to my channel. Head over to my blog for more tips on YouTube, and sign up for my newsletter because I'm sending out branding tips. I'm not going to say daily, but right now I'm sending out branding tips, period. Dunder Mifflin. If y'all get it, you get it. Peace.